Right now, millions of people are squatting their way into a lower back injury, and they have no idea. If you've ever felt that dull ache in your lower back after leg day, this video might just save your spine. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you goes against what most gym goers believe. Here's the truth. The squat is called the king of exercises for a reason. It builds strength, burns fat, and develops raw power like almost nothing else. But there's a dark side nobody talks about. Studies show that up to 60% of people who squat regularly experience lower back pain at some point. And here's the kicker. It's not the squat that's dangerous. It's how you're doing it. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest mistakes that quietly destroy your lower back. And more importantly, exactly how to fix them. By the end of this video, you'll squat with confidence, power, and zero pain. Let's start with the biggest problem, your setup. Most people think the squat starts when you go down. It doesn't. It starts before you even move. Look at what happens when foot position is wrong. Too narrow, and your hips can't open properly, forcing your lower back to compensate. Too wide, and you lose stability. Here's what nobody tells you. Your squat stance should match your body, not a cookie-cutter position you copied online. Try this. Jump straight up right now, wherever your feet naturally land. That's roughly your ideal squat stance. Your toes should point slightly outward, like 11 and 1 on a clock. Now pay attention to your weight. Most people unknowingly shift forward onto their toes. When that happens, your lower back works overtime just to stop you from falling forward. Think of it like a building. If the foundation is uneven, everything above it starts to crack. Now let's talk about the descent, because this is where most back injuries actually begin. The next big mistake is losing core tension before reaching the bottom. Your core isn't just your abs. It's a pressure system. Imagine a soda can. When it's sealed, it's strong. But poke a hole in it, and it collapses instantly. Your spine works the same way. Before you go down, take a deep breath into your belly, not your chest. Brace like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Hold that tension all the way down and all the way back up. Speed matters too. Drop down too fast, and your muscles lose control of the load. Your lower back takes the hit. Instead, lower yourself with control. Imagine sitting on a chair made of glass. You wouldn't just crash down onto it. Now about depth. Everyone chases all the way down, but if your lower back rounds at the bottom, what's called a butt wink, you're compressing your spinal discs under heavy load. For most people, stopping when your hip crease is just below your knee is perfect. Now here's a mistake that happens on the way up, and it's incredibly sneaky. Your hips shoot up first, your chest falls forward, and suddenly your lower back is lifting the weight instead of your legs. It's like lifting a couch from one end. All the stress goes straight to your lower back. The fix is simple. Think chest up, hips and shoulders rising together. Imagine a string attached to your chest, pulling you upward. Your body should move as one solid unit. Here's a cue that works every time. Don't think lift the weight. Think push the floor away from you. This instantly engages your legs and keeps your back safe. Breathing matters on the way up too. Don't exhale too early. Hold that breath until you're almost standing. That internal pressure is your spine's best protection. Now here's something that ties everything together, and most people overlook it. Hip mobility. Tight hips force your lower back to do work it was never designed to do. It's like a rusty door hinge. Other parts have to compensate. Before you squat, spend just 2 minutes opening up your hips. Deep bodyweight squats. Hip circles. A simple 90-90 stretch. Those 2 minutes can be the difference between a strong squat and a painful one. Think of your body like a chain. Your lower back is just one link. If the hips and core don't do their job, that one link absorbs all the stress until it fails. So here's your takeaway. Before your next leg day, set your stance naturally. Create core pressure. Descend with control. Drive through the floor as one unit. Start light. Even body weight is enough to feel the difference. Your lower back shouldn't be screaming after squats. It should feel stable, supported, and strong. Here's your challenge. Do 10 perfectly controlled squats right now using these cues. Film yourself from the side if you can. You'll be surprised by what you see. If you feel the difference, drop a comment and let me know. Remember this: the strongest people aren't the ones who lift the most weight. They are the ones who can lift consistently, without pain. Fix your squat, build stronger legs, and protect your back. I'll see you in the next one.